Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off night mode in standby mode on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is head into your settings. Now come down within your settings and select standby. Now the second option, it'll be display, and this is night mode. It tells you a little bit about it. Standby displays with a red tint in low ambient lighting. So if you want to turn this off, you want to tap this toggle so it's greyed out like that, or tap it on so it's green to turn it on. So if you've ever looked at standby mode and thought, why is it red? Well, this is the reason. It's night mode. So that's how to turn on or turn off night mode in standby mode on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.